Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, I will be talking to you about a situation when you are trying to install Windows 11 and in between you will see this message which says PC cannot run Windows 11 because it cannot meet system requirement. And irony here is despite my system meet all system requirements including TPM 2.0, but still I am seeing this message. Now I'm gonna show you the easiest method to fix it without running this setup again, because in some cases we even do not have option to go back and then fix it in Windows. For that you need to press Shift and F10. This will basically open your command prompt. Now here you need to type regedit, which basically will open our registry editor. Now here we need to expand HKey local machine and then system, and inside system we need to expand setup. Now in setup we need to make a right click and click on new and then select a key. We need to give this key a name as lab config and then hit enter. Now inside this key again we need to make a right click, then click on new and this time select the word 32-bit value. Now again we will be using camel case here and we'll type bypass then secure boot check and then we will hit enter. Then again make a right click, click on modify and then we're going to put here a value as 1 and we will keep this base same as hexadecimal. Now similar to this one, we're going to create one more word which will be bypass TPM check and then again we're going to modify its value and then I'm gonna make it 1. Now let's close it and go back again to the same screen. Now let me click on back and this time let's again click on next and there we go. We can see we have successfully bypassed Windows minimum system requirement without going back. So in this way guys, you can fix the issue of minimum system requirement in your PC. Now here I have just deleted all my previous drive and now I think I am good to go and we can see I have no issues in installing Windows. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more such productivity videos that are going to help you in day-to-day tasks, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.